Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to add a poll into your Slack channel. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to create a poll, you just simply have to open your Slack application at first, and after opening the application, just simply open this Polybot into your Slack. If you don't have Polybot, you just simply have to install the Polybot from the app section of Slack. Now, after opening the Polybot, you just simply have to tap into this create a poly option. Just simply tap into that, and then you can use all available templates, or you can just create new by tapping into this button. And now just simply type your question into this top row, and then you can choose the question type into here. You can select all this option into this page. I'm selecting multiple choice into here, and then enter your choices below. Just simply select all the options in here, and you can also select this customizations from this section. Now just simply choose the audience. You can select any of the channel or the chats that you have, and after doing this, just simply click to done button. Now click to the send button at the top right. After doing this very easy steps, your poll will successfully be created in the targeted channel. You can go check by going into that channel. As you can see here, this poll is successfully created. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.